How to create Weverse account. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. First thing first, open your browser and go to the official Weverse website. Search for the Weverse in the search address bar and tap on the Weverse official for all pans option available there. Then all you have to do is in the top right corner of the homepage, you will see the sign up or sign in button. Simply click on it. Now, after you do so, you can choose your sign up method. Register using your email address and simply continue with this method. You can see continue with this email option available in the green highlights. Tap on it and continue. After filling out this, Weverse will send a verification to the email address you provided. All you have to do is go to the email inbox and find the email from Weverse and simply tap on the verify email option available there. Once the email verification is successful, you will be navigated to the page where you will see successfully joined Weverse. Now simply tap on the back to login page option available there and now enter your email and password and continue with the process. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.